Hi guys, welcome to my first web series, that is Python. I am making this web series so that you guys will be ready for my next web series that is based upon Apache Spark with pyspark. For that you guys have to know about the Python. So the agenda of this series is as shown. First we'll cover the overview of Python. Then we'll go setting up of environment for Python. Okay. Next, we will cover the basic syntax, that is variable declaration and manipulation of the same variable. Fourth, we'll cover the decision making and loops. And in the end, we'll define one function so that we can declare some variable, adding and printing that variable. That will cover in function. So let's start with the first overview of Python in the next video. Thank you.